Okay guys, so this is how you would add the following expressions, and right now what you need to focus on is combining like terms. And what that means is you're just going to put together the things that look alike. It's almost like going to a party and you're making sure that everyone who has the same last name ends up at the same table. So for this one, 3n and 4n would be like terms because they both share the variable n, which means when I add these two things together, I'm going to end up adding 3n and 4n because they go together. The next thing that I would focus on is b, but for this case, you want to make sure that you keep the sign that goes with it. It's very important. I meant to include that here, and I should have done that. But at this point, we're just going to do this. Okay, so it would then be, we're adding those two things because they're both positive. So to this, you're going to add 7b, and you're going to also add 5b because those two go together. So the next thing you want to focus on is just the numbers, which are in this case called constants. So we have -9 or -9, and you're going to add that to -6 because we're adding them right there, as you can see. So now that I've brought, we're going to say use the commutative property. That's what we ended up doing. Property to combine like terms. In the next step, we're just going to actually add the things that can actually go together. Okay, so just add the like terms. So this and this go together. So 3n's and 4n's makes 7n or 7n's. So you're adding that to whatever this is going to give you, and 7b's and 5b's gives you 12b's. And then -9 plus -6 ends up being negative or -15. And that is how I would add these two expressions, and this is how it would be simplified. So this is your final answer right here, okay?